Oh, hey. I didn't see you there. Welcome to the Beach Club. Just one of many exciting activities available to you on Micah's 40th birthday Blowout cruise. Party like a rock star at the largest freshwater pool in the Caribbean. Check that thing out! That's a huge ship! Plenty of toilets. I hope you're getting as excited as I am. There's so many things to do here. Water slides, pirate ships, all you can eat hot dogs. So, you may be wondering, Micah, what do I do now? Well, check the link below for more details. And feel free to call or text if you have any questions.